Hi! In front of me is NOKIA G22 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. First of all, open Messages app and click on one of your chats. Then select this icon with a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Now you can add your photos right away by clicking on them over here. If you want to, you can also click on folders at the top. Hold one of your photos that you wish to add and tap on select at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, all of my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!